First, I'm going to choose what I'm exactly going to design. I'm going to make a holiday greeting card. So I'm going to choose card and I'm going to choose it in landscape. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a template that has the color scheme and the design that I mostly like. Even though I'm doing a holiday greeting card, I'm still going to choose a different color scheme than holiday colors. So I'm going to use this design with this color scheme. I'm gonna remove the things that I don't want there, like these words. Okay, I may or may not keep this frame. I'll keep it there for now. I may remove it later. Then I'm gonna upload my elements. So I'm going to upload some photos to add to this card. Okay, so I have my images uploaded. So now I'm just going to um, try to put this frame around each of the images. I can move this around. Okay, if I like that, I'm just going to duplicate it. Okay, and then I'm gonna position it over my photo. Okay, so I can always reorder my images or my elements by bringing them forward or backwards. So here I'm gonna send it back. So I want my frame in the front. So I'm going to do a second page to this greeting card. So I'm going to add my page here and I'm going to upload another photo. Okay, so I have decided to make this my front page. So all I'm going to do is move it up so I know this is my front page. It doesn't really matter at this point though, but I like to keep my first page on top. Okay, once I'm done, I'm happy with my design. I'm gonna choose other elements to add. So I'm next going to add text. So this is a holiday card, so I'm gonna do a holiday text. So I'm in my search, I'm gonna search holiday greeting. Okay, there's nothing that I want here. How about New Year's? Okay, I like this one. So based on the color scheme of my photo, Canva will give me options for colors based on my photo's color scheme. So I'm gonna see if there's any of them that I like. Okay, I do like that. So I'm gonna keep that. Okay, and I also will want to add my other elements here. So I'm going to choose other text. Okay, so I couldn't find other text I like, so I'm just going to create my own text. I'm going to add heading. I'm going to say sparkle and shine. Since this is the second page of my design, Canva will give me color options based on the colors of my photo. So I can decide to match those colors. This one, maybe I'll use that color scheme, use that color. And if I want to use the document colors of my actual card, I can also choose those colors up here. So let me check the effects. Okay, so now I have sparkle and shine. Cheers to the new year. Okay, now I can choose to keep this background image or this background color or change it slightly. I like since my term says sparkle shine, I'm going to add some, I'm going to change the background of my image. So I'm going to go to background and find maybe a different background that I like. Okay, so I liked this background here, so that's what I'm going to use. And I'm going to decide to add another text in here. Since I'm not very creative in writing messages, I'm just going to search for a good holiday message to put. Mm. Okay, so then once I'm done formatting my elements, I can check to see if I like what I see. And those were quick tips for creating designs on Canva like a pro. And that's it. Thank you for watching.